Good evening, one and all present here. On behalf of Candor International School, I, Kiran Rai, Cambridge Coordinator, take this opportunity to welcome you to our graduation ceremony of the class of 2024. I'm honored and pleased to deliver this farewell speech. Today is the day of joy, particularly for the graduating students and their parents. Behind every young child who believes in themselves is a parent who believes in them first. Thank you, dear parents, for allowing us to be the path of your child. Wonderful learning journey with us. We are all here to congratulate our students and also bid farewell to them who are leaving this portal of the school. My dear batch of 2024, I am proud of you and your achievement over the years. Your various accomplishments in all curricular and extracurricular activities. Your brilliant achievements in academics and in sports are indeed acknowledged. You have completed this part of journey of your life with great achievement and beautiful memories. I quote Walt Disney, all of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, unquote. So, hop, skip, and jump towards pursuing your dreams. From the batch of 2024 amongst us seated here today are the future scientists, innovators, activists, politicians, writers, and doctors, and all those who will be true leaders tomorrow. You are one of the most pioneering, talented, determined, and passionate batch that we have had. My message to you today is all about confidence. Confidence is the key to success. Be sure about yourself and get going. You will surely reach the pinnacle of success. Graduation is one step towards your future. Dream new dreams. Embark on who you are. Embrace life with passion and keep trying to reach the stars. Today, the world is interconnected and interdependent. As graduates of Candor International School, you have received a world-class education and have a global vision. I hope you will actively participate in international exchanges, broaden your horizon, and become global citizens with sense of responsibility and mission. My dear students, as you leave the school, expect some challenges that awaits you. I strongly believe, going by your antecedents and manner you have conducted yourself over the years, and the skill and knowledge that we have imparted in you, you will surely overcome those challenges. At this point, I want to implore my dear outgoing students to always see yourselves as good ambassadors to this school and never allow selfish interest to blemish your integrity that you have nurtured over the years in this great institution. Be kind and good to people who you meet up on your way. I and my fellow colleagues wish to thank you for the zeal you have demonstrated towards your studies and your relationship with the teachers, management, and junior students, and even among yourself. I believe that the little things in life truly do matter. And out of those little things, I would like to mention a few which I'm really going to miss. I will certainly miss your giggle and laughter in the corridors of the second floor. I will miss the sight of those trendy jackets instead of school uniform jackets. Rishi is listening to me? Your lame excuses for coming in late. Akshay? My bad, no? And then your silly reasons to leave the school early. What say, Ritvik, are you there? I will miss the expression on Vaishnavi's face when I call her Vaibhavi and Suhani as Saloni. But I know whenever you will remember these small little things, a sweet smile will come on your face. Your sweet memories will forever remain in our hearts. Never hesitate to come back to us if you need our guidance and support anytime. Go out, be the best version of yourself, and conquer the world. You have our love and God's blessings. Congratulations, and thank you very much.